Hi guys, good morning. Let's see what's coming towards us between 2nd to 7th November. Okay, let's see the week ahead. So, there is a new moon on the 4th. So, I'll be putting up a reading for that day also. And also, I will try and do weekly readings. I'm also going to put up a reading for 19 November, where the first lunar eclipse happens in Taurus. So this will be a new cycle of eclipses which will start shuffling or dancing between Taurus and Scorpio. Okay, and I'll be giving more details about what all this means in the lunar eclipse videos. So do go and check it out. So let's see. This is for the week ahead, 2nd November till 7th November. Wow. Swim away from the situation. Wow. First and foremost, I love the mermaids. Okay. So this is something beautiful. This is something unique. Swim in any situation that you are. There is always a choice. You always have a choice to stay there or move ahead or leave that place. The choice can be leaving the job, staying jobless for some time but searching for a new job, having peace of mind, starting a new health regime. It can be anything, but there is always a choice. It depends on how much we can take rubbish in that situation or how much we really want to break those bonds and move ahead. And this is basically a time for freedom. That what the energy I'm getting is being free. Wings, you never needed those wings to fly, so you have all the strength. But yes, when you do something new, when you want freedom from an old situation, you have to push your boundaries, you have to push your limit. For that you have to be very ready to do that. Okay, so if you are ready to push your boundaries for your dream, then just go for it. So this is a message for someone who really needs to hear, who is doubting himself or herself. So just you have to take the leap of faith, because for anything new you have to leave your comfort zone. Why is it very difficult to change? Because old is known, old is comfortable. So people do not like to be uncomfortable, but as they say, डर के आगे ही जीत है. You have to push your boundaries, and beyond that is the new life waiting for you. So 2nd to 7th November. Wow. Somebody is manifesting a new partner in life and he is just going to enter. It can be through friends, through groups, through social media. It can be any group that you have joined. So this I had seen in my live also few days back. You can even check out on FB. I do tarot lives. So if you want to be a part of it, you can follow me on FB. All links are in tap link below. So you can ask me any question free if you attend the live. Okay. So this is somebody new coming in, and do not stay in low vibe. Do not self-doubt. What has happened to you in the past does not mean the same thing will be repeated in the future. You get the same situation because you keep repeating and thinking about what wrong has happened. So you have not left it. So you have to leave this energy and you have to move ahead. So start thinking of a bright future. Start manifesting and stay in high vibe. The more clear you are of what you want in life, the faster the new energy, the new person, the new love will come in your life. Okay, but this needs clarity. This needs full what do you say, surety. You have to be sure. You cannot take one step forward, two step behind. It one step at a time, one step at a time, but it all should all be in the same direction. Okay, I'll pull out one more oracle card for this. Blessings are showering in your life. Beautiful. This is a beautiful note to end. So this reading, the message is freedom, clarity, and for some it is a new partner coming in life, and it is somebody you have manifested. So be very clear in what you want, be very clear in your manifestations, and be open to receive. Okay, so see you again with another video. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye.